The camera of this phone is not working. At the beginning and at the end of this clip, I will show you the A30. As you see, we can run the camera and we face the error. To ensure, we use different camera apps. Still, the camera is not run. So we start test with the check of connector.
میدونستید واسه همین ویدیویی که الان دارین تماشا میکنید توسط مجموعه آساتیم چندین میلیون هزینه شده و شما دارین به صورت رایگان این ویدیو رو تماشا میکنید. پس خیلی خوشحال میشیم تا ما رو لایک کنید و به ما انرژی ببخشید.
Also keep your eyes on multimeter amounts. Just because of our diet was normal, we must change camera IC supply. Pay attention that in this model, in addition of this IC, there is one regulator which is responsible for supplying camera voltage. If we don't get the answer, we must replace it. It's time to test. Before that, again I show you A30. At the end, this is the result. Cameras are completely repaired.